the first key part of tackling any challenge is motivation. And so if we talk to David, Gen Z, we talk to the members of local municipality and the government, there is clear motivation to solve this problem. So I want to comment on the motivation as a starting point to innovation. There is clearly motivation to solve air pollution in Balibo, and there's clear motivation to make it affordable, clean heat that also solves clean air in the process. So with that motivation, it's our goal to bring in, as I said, innovation, like the First Nations have in Canada, where I'm from, and have been raised to understand that approach. In geothermal, we're very thankful, and the technology is well established. It's a closed loop system, so there is no wastewater or discharge. We're simply leveraging a water resource which already exists, which is not being currently used and not yet been discovered until recently. We're using an existing system that doesn't draw from any freshwater usage otherwise, and the water goes up and goes back down underground. So there's a very, I guess not quite innovative, but a very clean and simple way of doing this. I think what's innovative is the financing models, which we can discuss, to help support the development of the project to be as affordable as possible. So again, going back to motivations and innovation, it's not just in the technology and the approach, but it's also in how we finance the project. And there are a significant number of facilities now across Europe and Canada and the world where these types of projects make a lot of sense for governments, for multilateral banks, for investors, and so on. So I'm very convinced, together with our partners, we can be very innovative to make sure that this solution is affordable and solves the problem of air pollution.